got it set up on a better working place now. So I've been driving this pin out, and I've been playing around with the gears too, trying to keep them in neutral. And this, sorry, I don't know if you've been able to see that. So neutral is when the counter shaft isn't involved. It's when these gold edges are centered on each shifter. So there's some in here too. So you got this one, gold, 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 gold. And it's not it's got some preload to it. Let's see if I can get this to record like me doing it. Hopefully you can see that. Take this counter shaft off. So rotating the input side clockwise like the motor would be. And since the counter shaft is not engaged, in theory this is correct. And then you kick it into first. That starts to spin. You get second too. Spinning faster. We're starting to get some fluid pumping at the bottom, coming out of the bottom. This counter shaft likes to go in if it's not spring loaded, but this bearing is totally not set correctly anymore. On the bottom, see how the race is coming out on this side, and the shaft is slid over this way. So now the shaft kicked in. Alright, let's reset it. Maybe I'll put you right here in my pocket. Maybe that helps. Alright, so I'm going to do this. Reset it. There's neutral. Yep. Alright. Leave it like that. I'm going to continue to drive this pin out. Now it's sliding free. So in case that didn't record, I just punched this out with these tools. And now it's loosey-goosey, so I'm going to do this now. In order to get this shaft out, you have to pull this gear over. Something just dropped. So that we can get this shaft over this way and out. So I'm going to get it past to that. Okay. So now this is off. I move this back. I'm going to pull this one off. And these little guys are somehow sticking on there. Okay, I see. It's orientation. Now this can come off. Slide this out. Boom, that drops. Lifting out. That's the orientation. So just backwards of each other, kind of. This race wants to come out again. Pull this shaft out. That's the orientation on that. Ball towards output. And I'm going to move this gear back to neutral.